Isak is breaking every record that he sees and is murdering every team that he goes against, bruh. Like, I don't know what this guy is on, but please, bruh, please plug my Manchester United players, bruh, because wow, homeboy is on fire, bruh. And I'm not talking fire from literally made by a match or something. Nah, Isak is on fire from a volcano, bro. Like, I don't wanna lie. Isak has probably, like, right now scored in 8 consecutive games. Has 16 goals in 16 matches. Like, what the hell does this guy want to do, man? Like, I don't wanna lie. If Liverpool are interested in signing him, should do it now. Because I don't think that Salah situation of theirs is gonna work. Because Salah, I feel like Salah is gonna pan out, bro. You know, and we all know Salah, the Qatar teams are interested in him. So I feel like Salah should just literally, okay, right now I won't lie. I don't wanna lie. Salah is on fire also right now. But I feel like Salah is gonna literally burn out. That's how I feel. Salah is literally gonna burn out. So I feel like if Liverpool is serious about this, they should just put more money on this and just go for Isak, bro. Because I don't want to lie, the Premier League's record of scoring in consecutive games is 11. Homeboy is on 8 now. 9, 10, 11. That's like literally 3 games. And Homeboy has been scoring like 2 or 3. Okay, let me say 2. A game or 1. Imagine. What's that to Isak, bro? So I feel like if Liverpool are literally interested, which is going to be very hard because I feel like Newcastle are literally going to make it hard for Liverpool if they're interested in signing him. I don't wanna lie, it's gonna be hard, but I feel like if they could invest in someone, come on, Trent is leaving, Trent Alexander is leaving, obviously, come on, like Trent is leaving, we all know, if Real Madrid comes knock at your door, you gone. So I feel like they should use that money and also sell Salah to the Qatar or Arab teams and just literally invest in that kid, bro. That boy's on fire, bro. I don't know, man. Like, tell me how do you feel about Isak's performance in the comment section. Press the like button. Don't forget to click the subscribe one also. From me, Mr. Sparkles, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Damn, Isak is on fire.